Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today's probably the most excited I've been in a really long time because, as you guys saw from the title, I got my first Modusworks spinner. It is the bronze mini Ergo. So yeah, I'm really excited to open this up, but before I do, I want to show you guys my current bar spinners. So this is the Viper in stainless steel plus tungsten balls. So this was my first spinner ever. So yeah, it's a pretty good one. I still have it to this day. Then we got the ethereal in stainless steel. I put a new bearing in there. It sounds amazing. It's my loudest spinner for sure in my collection. It's really easy to give it a good rip. So yeah, and then this is my M3 polished stainless steel. Love this thing. We're gonna compare these to the Modusworks Ergo. And then this is the most recent addition to the collection of the bar spinners. Well, besides this, of course. This is the 3-body cube. I have not posted the video for this yet. I think it'll be out before the Modusworks. Before this one, I mean. So yeah, it's a spinner, clicker, slider. So yeah, enough about these. We're gonna compare it to the Modusworks spinner later. For now, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I am so excited. Oh. All right. This is my first Modusworks spinner, like I said. Really excited. If you guys know anything about Modusworks spinners, they are all really rare because Jonas, the maker, doesn't make them anymore. And they are really popular in the space. And there you go. So yeah, let's get this thing open. So the guy that sold to me, really great dude. He was selling it without a button. So yeah, and I just wanted to grab my first Modusworks spinner. It was a really good deal. And yeah, I jumped on it, but he was kind enough to throw me in a random button that he had laying around. So yeah, here it is. Here's a close-up on this thing. Don't know what those buttons are. Really great bearing. This is bronze, by the way, if you guys haven't seen from the title. Great condition too. Jesus. All right, here we go. Oh my God. This thing is so good. This thing is unbelievably good. All right. I get why people love these things and why they cost so much. And yes, this is a patina metal. And yeah, I am super against them, but Modusworks is an exception. Oh my God, this thing is so good. Jesus Christ. This is now by far my favorite bar spinner in my collection. I think my favorite spinner, period. It's so well balanced. It feels so good in the spins. And the condition of this thing is just perfect. minty fresh. It just didn't have the buttons. I didn't really mind because my first one, nothing serious. But yeah, this thing is great. All right, let me open it up. It's got a really cool bearing from what I heard. There you go. Alright, let me go ahead and weigh this thing without the button. So without the button, the Modusworks Bronze Ergo weighs 37 grams. That is not bad. A really good weight. If you guys didn't know, I'll compare it to these. This is the stainless steel cube. Three body cube, it's called. 64. The M3, 91, the ethereal, 55, 71. So by far my heaviest out of the bars is the M3. But this thing is just amazing. 37, and with these buttons, they feel like they're aluminum, to be honest. They feel really light. Alright. And with the buttons, it is 50. So that adds another, like, I forgot how much it was. Let me real quick take them off. So it adds like 13 more grams. 12.5 if you want to be very specific. And turn that off, put it away. God, like, this is a really good spinner. It's so good. Like, if you guys ever get a chance to buy some of these spinners, you definitely should. And unfortunately, I can't get any work videos on here. Definitely recommend Modusworks spinners. They are really hard to come by, and if you do come by them, they are really, really expensive. So be ready to spend a lot. But I actually do get why people love these things. It's so good. My friend actually just got a titanium one, a tri Ergo. So basically this thing, but as a tri. And he says it's really, really good. So yeah. But yeah, this thing's amazing. I give it a 10 out of 10. Jonas, you did an amazing job. And again, if you guys want to join the Modusworks family Facebook chat or like group, it is down below. It's down below. He's actually making a few more spinners right now. It's called the Cinema thing. Basically, the full-sized spinner that he used to make, but a version 2. So yeah, check it out down below. I'll leave a link. Join the Facebook group. A lot of cool people in there. And yeah, people post their crazy, crazy collections. Spinners, buttons, all that. It's a really great community. But I know that now I will be collecting a lot of these for sure. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the notifications. A lot more videos coming soon. I'm doing daily posts, same as always. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next one.